Hello everyone, I come back. Today I will introduce connect the device with to PC by IDB. Have a two-way for install IDB. The first we download SDK platform tool, and second we setting with the Android SDK. Now we for download platform tool, we go to Google and search, open the link. 6 is a platform tool. By we can install platform tool for Windows, Mac, Linux. In this scope of video, we will learning about SDK for Windows. Click and download. We can download the platform tool. Yeah. Okay. The download. Okay. Download platform tool. Export. Yeah. Yeah. Which now we can use 6E IDB, and we can CMD open device. We open CMD and CD to the folder. CD to the folder. Have a platform tool folder. Download. Now copy the path. CD platform tool IDB. Oh, now we have IDB. Okay, we finish by the way for download, and now I will introduce the second way, because in a previous video we have finished install Android SDK. So if you already installed the Android SDK in the computer, you no need to download the platform tool. Now we will open. We will learning about setting with Android SDK. First we open the Android SDK. Here flow. You flow the bus where the Android SDK is stored in your PC. Now see username, user, my account, updater, local, Android SDK. After you install the Android SDK, the Android SDK will be stored in your system hardware. 6E platform tool. Okay. We now need download the platform tool. It's already on the system. Now we open the CMD again. CMD. CD the CD to the path, Control C, CD, right mouse, right click mouse, enter. And now we will find IDB. Okay. For easy use, we can configure the path to the system. Now we no need to CD the app data local Android have a CMD. Now I want to call IDB in my user, but it not recommend. Don't worry, I will introduce to you. Property we will configure as advanced system setting. Now driver environment as a path. Click and we add new. Copy the link. Yeah. Okay. Control C. Control V. Okay. Now close and open again. Now IDB. Oh, successful. And now we will try connect with real device. Before to connect mobile with Android mobile with your PC, you need turn on the USB debug in your device. I have the video for help how to turn on the ADB. Please follow the link in description. And now I will connect the ADB via connect the device by the USB box. Now really wait. Connect the device with the PC. Okay. After don't worry. And now we got on the IDB. Okay. Forget the name of device. We write IDB device. Enter. Yeah, that is my device name. In next video, we will use device name for connect Appium server and yeah, use it for connect connect Appium server. This video finish here. In next video, I will help you get a app package name, activity name of the application. Okay. Please like, share, and subscribe if it's good for you. If you can, please donate to me. Thanks.